So, you may have thrown your cubes at the wall from watching a cube tutorial or trying to learn how to solve one or trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. But today, I'm just gonna make this quick tutorial on how to solve one. Hopefully you understand after the this video. There's gonna be 8 steps and I'm gonna show them. So first, you have to make a daisy like this. Then you make a white cross and notice the edge pieces. The side colors on the edge pieces are literally matching up with the center. So orange, orange, green, green, vice versa for other colors like red and blue. Then you make the first layer. Again, notice the center pieces. So in the corner slots, there's orange, blue, and a blue L, and an orange L. Then you need to create an L for another color. So orange L, green L, vice versa for other colors again. Next, you'll really see the cube coming together. As you see, there's 2 layers now. I'd say this is the most satisfying step of solving a Rubik's Cube. And yeah, you have to match up each edge piece with no yellow or white on it, with 2 centers. So blue red goes in between the blue and red centers, and orange green, the orange green edge goes in between the green and orange centers. So next, you just create a simple yellow cross on the top. This is where algorithms come into place, but yeah, I hope you can learn the algorithms pretty easily while solving the cube. Now next is basically solving these edges. So basically, yellow blue goes in between the yellow blue center. So it's basically where you do another algorithm. It's basically the same process as putting in the edges, but with a different algorithm. So don't get confused when I just say same process with this. You're using a different algorithm to not ruin the second layer. Okay, so now notice that this method for the last layer I'm teaching you, you can fast forward if you want to learn the last layer method that JPerm teaches in his video. But yeah, the last layer that I came up with is way easier than JPerm's method, like last layer. So hope you enjoy this last layer. Hope it's more easier for you. Now we're going to turn the cube upside down and orient the top layer. Like that. Now lastly, if pro cubers are watching this, then yeah, I'm using a Megamix whatever. So you're just basically gonna take out the quarters, then reinsert them back. Then the cube is basically solved. Now, let's move on to the yellow daisy and how we can do it. Now, we're going to first solve the yellow daisy. These are the pieces that you'll basically be focusing on for the white daisy. Now next, we're going to focus on these pieces. These pieces include the white and red edge, the white and green edge, the white and blue edge, and the white and yellow edge, and the yellow centerpiece. And if you do not know these types of pieces, I recommend going to my cube piece tutorial design tutorials so you can learn what these pieces are. So we're trying to basically get something like this, where all white edges are surrounding the yellow center. Wait, is there a delay while recording this? Poor androids. Next, now we're going to find a white edge piece located on the cube. This consists of either the white and blue edge again, the white and green edge, the white and red edge, and the white and orange edge. So the procedure is basically finding edges with white on them and bringing all the white edges to the yellow center. So, to see, there's already a white edge here that I'm going to ruin right now to show you a full tutorial walkthrough on how the yellow daisy looks. Okay, so first, we're just gonna look for a basic edge with white on it, okay? We're basically just gonna look right here. A edge that has white on it. So, what we can do is that if it's up here, we can, since white is opposite of yellow, I am going to release a color scheme video after this, so you can watch that first. But yeah, since white is opposite to yellow, you can turn down 2 times to connect it with the yellow center. Now, if you have something like this, where the white edge is at the bottom, flipped, and you think we can do this, F prime, R prime. Then, but no, it ruins the other white piece that was near the yellow center. So, what we could do is basically turn the cube up on the right side, then turn the top layer to the left side, then turn the right side down. Then now, since we have the cube on top like this, could do 2 F moves like this, then we can just insert the white and blue edge without ruining this white edge. And as you see, we got the same thing that I should just preview again. So I'm just gonna preview on the left. So what we can do is look at the white edge and do a left move up, turn the left side up, what I meant. Turn the upper layer, instead of turning right here, we can turn it to the right, like this. Then we can turn the left side down, back, to reinsert the white edge that back next to the yellow center. Then just turn the front layer, which is this layer, down twice. Then you will have the white daisy finished. So now I'm going to reconstruct the yellow daisy. We can do, first I see that I have this white edge that I can turn down to insert one white piece down to next to the yellow center. Now we can turn the layer that's in front of us, the side that's in front of us, this layer. That's what I'm talking about. We can turn it like this, then we have both layers intact into the same place. Now we can turn down. Now I'm just gonna do this. So I want to show you something. Now, we have 2 of the same case. Let me reconstruct that for you. So first, if we have this white edge like this, turned down and it's flipped, then you can just do, and there's no, since the edge here is flipped, we can just do it that, move it down. But the reason why I set it up like this, so I can show you on what to do in case this is not flipped. So white edge right here is not flipped. So we could do, if it's on the left side like this, you could do turn the left side up is what I meant to say. Now instead of turning the upper layer to the left, it's time to turn it to the right if we're doing the lefty version of this, and turn it down. Then we can just pretend that this edge is flipped, then without ruining this edge, we can just insert it like that. Then now it's the same process for the right layer. So turn the right layer up, the upper layer to the left I meant. Then turn the right layer down, right side down. Then turn the front side 2 times to the rest of the white edges to the yellow center. Then, yeah, you're basically done with the white daisy. Now, guys, our goal is to create a white cross like this. So you see, green, green, red, red, vice versa, like I said at the start. So, just a quick side note. We do not want our cross like this. So you see, it's red, red, blue, blue, but these two colors are not the same. It's diagonal swap. So it's not correct. Just want to get that out to you guys. So yeah, you gotta make sure that you solve the cross correctly here. Now it's pretty straightforward from here. All you basically have to do is do not turn the front layers or L or R layers until the side color on the edge is matched up. So now, as you see, I have the white center on top, but this time we want the yellow center on top. And we're going to be matching up the side colors of the edge, the other colors, to the center colors. So basically red, red, then turning them down. That's all you have to do for this step. It's the easiest step. So basically all you have to do is turn the upper layer, the upper side, whatever you want to call it, turn this side when you're trying to pair the colors, okay? Only turn this side when you're trying to pair colors. So, what we want to do is that keep turning the upper layer until we get these side colors matched. So I'm gonna do it for blue, for example. So, yeah. So basically, I'm just gonna turn the upper layer until the blue center and the white blue edge match up with each other. Do they match up? No. Because it's not blue blue, it's green blue. So now I'm gonna turn the upper layer one more time. Now does it match? Yes, because it's basically blue blue. Now to turn it down, we can do 2 moves on the front side, not on the right side, not on the left side. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm just saying nonsense today. Sounds like the wrong sides. But yeah. Turn only the front layer. Turn only this side. Only the face that's facing you. So basically the front layer is this. Front layer is this. So we're gonna turn the front layer 2 times. Then now we're basically done. And one edge is inserted. See? Blue, blue, and the white edge is matched up with the white center. Now, we're going to turn to a other center. Blue is already finished, so we can just use orange, red, or green. Whatever you want to choose. You're going to choose orange, for example. Now I'm going to do the same procedure again. Does it match? Yes or no? No. Because, first of all, this isn't even a white edge. This is a blue edge. And second of all, it does not have orange. We're only looking for white edges at this step. There's 4 white edges on the cube, in case you forget. Orange and white. Blue and white. Green and white. And white and red. Now, what you'll basically want to do is turn again. Now does it match up? Yes. Because the edge has white on it. Do not forget the edge must have white on it. You cannot just insert the edge down because it matches orange and orange. But we also have to pay attention if it's a white edge. So, the edge is white, and on the side, it matches up with the orange center. Orange edge, orange center. So, going down. Now, we're going to focus on the red center. Does it match? No, because the edge is not, again, the edge is not white, and there's no red. Does it match? Now, this is a tricky one for beginners, because, as you see, it might look like it's in the right place because it's yellow, red. Yellow, red. But it's actually wrong because we're focusing on the yellow center, not the white center. And this edge is not white. Even though it looks like red, oh my god, it's red. You think it's going to be good, but it's not. So, since the edge is not white, we cannot insert it to the bottom. As you see, our goal is this. White center. So, no, this isn't correct. Does it match? Yes, because at the bottom, see, it's red, and along with red, it's a white center. It's a white edge piece. So, you just turn it down. That's, and kaboom. Now, we have the white and red edge in the right place. Now, I want you to do the last edge on your own. So yeah, I'm just gonna... Did you do it by yourself? If you didn't, or you're confused, well, I'm just gonna walk through it. Does it match? No, because this is not a white edge. Plus, it's not green. Now does it match? Yes, because it's a white edge, and we could just turn it down, front layer twice down, then yeah. Basically done. And now you have a white cross. So basically what I recommend is you just watch over this video tons of times. And I'll be releasing the step for the white corners. Actually, I'm gonna do it today. Don't worry. Now, our next step is to get a white layer. Here. The first layer is basically kind of confusing, but yeah, don't worry. It's gonna be pretty easy to follow. Now, what you'll want to do is look for one of these pieces, which I'm going to show in a jiffy. Oh, sorry, guys. Stupid phone case has a camera cover. Okay, guys, so we're just going to be focusing on these 4 pieces. See? Now we're focusing on corners. Anyways, first we have the white, orange, and blue corner. And next we have the white, red, and blue corner. Now we have the white, green, and red center. And we have the white, green, and orange center. No, corner. Now, what we want to do is learn this algorithm. So, the algorithm is basically what you want to call basically a loop on the cube. But it also does something on the cube. So, you're gonna learn your first algorithm right now. So since you're a beginner and I don't expect you to know notation, basically gonna do these 4 moves. In the right side up, turn the upper layer to the left. Turn the right side down and do a U prime. aka you moving the upper layer to the right. Now, what we're gonna do is basically use this algorithm to insert different edges. So, what we're gonna do is basically find a corner and pay attention on. Do not pay attention. Do not pay attention. It's good to pay attention that it's a white corner though. But pay attention mostly to the 2 colors on the white edge. Because basically, what's wrong about this? You might ask. Well, with the centers, it does not match up. So basically, red and green, the white corner with the pieces colors red and green must be right here. But this corner has the corner pieces of green and orange, meaning it's in the wrong slot. Meaning we have a problem and the white of corner is not in the right place and our white layer is not going to be correct. Now, is this correct? Yes, because it is blue and red and white on the bottom. As you can see, we can also focus on the 2 edge piece colors, the 2 centerpiece colors, just whatever helps you to know if the corner's in the right place. So, we can take out this corner in the algorithm. Don't forget, put it up right here. Put it up right here using CapCut. Yeah. I only use CapCut for one time in this video, but still CapCut is important. But we can take it out like this. If you do not know notation, you can just follow my moves. So yeah, again, just follow my moves, what I'm doing. So place the cube in front of you, just do these 4 moves. And boom. The corner is inserted out. Now, what we could do is pay attention to the 2 colors other than white on this corner. Green and orange. And now, we're going to find a space where we can insert this corner between the green and orange centers. So is it right here? Or right here? So, right here, so right here is A, and right here is B. If you said B, you're wonderfully correct. Because if we cross out the white corner piece on the white corner, you can see that there's white, green, and orange corner pieces on this white corner. So, what we could do is turn it till it's at the side. We could just turn it like into this position where we have the corner right here between the green and orange centers. Then we could just face the cube in front of us like this. Then if you do not know the algorithm, I'm just gonna do it again, or just put it up here in case you know notation. Probably gonna make a notation video tomorrow, but yeah. As you see, but it's not in the right orientation. See, we have to keep doing the 4 move algorithm that I taught you until the white corner is facing down to the white side. So, like this. Basically, you want it to be like this. So basically, keep doing the 4 move algorithm. It's not inserted to the white side, facing down. So do it again. It's in, but in the wrong orientation, so do it again. Not in the corner slot. Try again. So we basically kept doing the 4 move algorithm until the white corner is inserted correctly in the right orientation, and the white piece on the corner is facing the white center. So now we want to do this for the other cubes, to the other corners. So I basically just recommend repeating this section again and again until you get the process. But yeah, I'm gonna do the 4 moves very slow so you understand it. So basically, see this white corner? When it's down here, you see it's in the white corner slot, but in the wrong orientation. So we could just take it out with 4 moves. I'm gonna do them very slowly so you can just follow me with this magically no notation. I'm just gonna make a notation video tomorrow. Just follow my moves slowly. Make sure the cube is facing in front of you as well, like this. As you see, it's not inside the slot into the. It's not in the corner slot. Not in the right rotation, and in the right rotation, so we can just do the algorithm again. We do it very slowly for people who don't know the algorithm. So I show it like 1 million times. And there we go. You know it's in the right place because, see, on the white corner, it has red, and on the white corner it has red and green, and it's in between the red and green centerpieces. Now, I'm gonna challenge you. You can try inserting the last corner without my help. I'm gonna see how you do. So basically, just focus on not on the yellow tile of the white center corner, but instead focus on the two other colors, blue and orange. Then do the for move algorithm. Just gonna wait here for 3 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. And then, if you pause the video and try to do it yourself and you're stuck, well, I'm gonna explain it to you. Now, see, you can do. Is it in? I want to show you something before you do this. See, the corner is in the wrong place. Now I know it's facing the white corner. First of all, you took out this corner. And now this makes you do like 5 more, the 4 move algorithm for 5 times. Meaning you have to do 20 moves to just reinsert it back. So now we just want to not make the mistake of inserting out the white corner, other white corners. Now, you can just put it into the empty slot. So basically, put the white corner, it's like a line. Put the white corner is on the top of the line, while the other corner that's incorrectly in the wrong place is at the bottom of the line. So, what we want to do is 4 moves. I'm going to do it a little bit fast. This. Then now, kaboom, you solved the first layer. This is the first layer tutorial. Tomorrow, I'll be posting the second layer tutorial. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the second one tomorrow. See ya, guys! And also, if you forgot, the second layer looks like this. See? Right here. We're gonna be making that tomorrow. Bye!